Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Ms. Nikmatuniaya as a lecturer of methodology and who have given me suggestion and correction so I can finish my final thesis proposal. And thank you very much for all of my friends here who have given me your time so you can listen my presentation today. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurlaila Rizkyana Devi. I am a student of Polytechnic State of Semarang for third accounting study program, especially from Accounting C. Today, I will present my final thesis proposal with title Calculation of Corporate Income Tax at Koperasi Pegawai Republik Indonesia (ABC) Semarang in 2020. There are 4 parts in my presentation today. The first one is introduction, number 2 literature review, number 3 purpose and benefits, and the last one research method. The first one is introduction. The background for my final thesis proposal is tax is an obligation of citizen as a form of service in national development. The entity or company is the subject of domestic tax, where the corporate taxpayer is the largest contributor of the corporate income tax sector. KPRI ABC is one of the cooperative engaged in savings and loan units, shops, and other business units that are non-member business. Every year, KPRI ABC prepares financial statement and also tax report in accordance with applicable standards. Commercial accounting report with tax accounting report use different bases so that both also have a corporation in their presentation. Commercial financial statement compiled based on generally accepted accounting principles and used for the benefit of various parties. Whether financial statement of fiscal, prepared based on tax regulation and also aim at complying with the provisions of tax law and regulation in relation to state revenues. Formulation of the problem for my final thesis proposal is how is the calculation of corporate income tax in 2020 conducted by KPRI ABC and according to Undang-Undang Nomor 36 Tahun 2008 about income tax and Perpu Nomor 1 Tahun 2020. The literature review. The first one is about financial statement, include understanding financial statement and fiscal financial statement. Number 2 is about tax. Definition of tax, function, voting term, voting order, subject and object of income. Number 3, fiscal correction. There are positive fiscal correction and negative fiscal correction. And the last one is about depreciation of fixed asset. Financial statement. Financial statement is a structured presentation of an entity's financial position and financial performance. The purpose of financial statement is to provide information on the financial position, financial performance, and cash flow of entities that are beneficial to their users. Tax. According to Sumitro and Mariosmo 2016, tax is the contribution of the people to the state's treasury under the law which can be imposed by not getting lead services, counter-achievement that can be directly indicated and which are used to pay for general expenditure. Fiscal correction. According to Siti Resmi 2014, said that fiscal reconciliation or fiscal correction is done by taxpayer because there are differences in calculation, especially profit according to accounting or commercial with profit according to taxation or fiscal. Depreciation of fixed asset. Depreciation is the concept of allocation of the price of acquisition of tangible fixed asset. There are 2 purposes in my final thesis proposal. The first one is to find out the calculation of corporate income tax in 2020 that has been done by KPRI ABC, and then to find out the calculation of corporate income tax in 2020 KPRI ABC according to Undang-Undang Nomor 36 Tahun 2008 about income tax. The benefits of my research are: the first, for the writer, to know suitability of the calculation of cooperative income tax with the applicable tax regulation and expand the knowledge. For KPRI ABC, to give advice for KPRI ABC regarding the correct calculation, payment, and reporting of corporate income tax in accordance with applicable taxation regulation. For Polytechnic State of Semarang, to give reference to the student. Next, methodology. Methodology is a way of doing things by using the mind carefully to achieve a goal in an activity to find, record, formulate, and analyze. The research methods used in this final text include data classification, data collection methods, data analysis methods, and writing methods. Data classification. By nature, there are quantitative data and qualitative data. Quantitative data is data in the form of numbers in the true sense, and qualitative data is category result data for the contents of data in the form of words. And database source, there are data primary and secondary data. Data primary is data obtained from respondents through questionnaires or interviews, and secondary data is data obtained from records, magazine, books in the form financial statement. Data collection techniques. The first one is interview. The interview that will be conducted by the author in the preparation of the final text is to ask some questions related to the title of the final text to employees of KPRI ABC in the field of finance. And then literature studies. The library study method is carried out by reading and studying various books related to the calculation of cooperative income tax. Next, data analysis technique. There are 5 steps to analyze the data of corporate income tax. The first, collecting data needed for writing the final thesis with research object at KPRI ABC. Step 2, study the data obtained by adjusting to existing theories. Step 3, grouping various costs and revenues. Step 4. Make a fiscal correction of the commercial financial statement of KPRI ABC for the cost and revenue component that have been grouped. And Step 5. Perform the calculation of corporate income tax from the result of fiscal correction that have been done. So that's all about my presentation of my final thesis proposal. I say really sorry if there's a lot of mistake, and thanks for listening and your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.